Welcome, it's Johnson DIY It All, and today
we're going to be cleaning our oven. So stick with us because we're going to give you some great tips throughout, and be sure to stick around to the end to make this even easier for you in the future. We love cooking and eating, and if you want to check out our food channel, be sure to check out Dad and Son Cook and Eat It All. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do when you clean an oven is remove your racks, especially if you're using the self-clean feature, because if you do not, it will discolor those racks. If that's important to you, keep in mind you want to get those out. Now, I always start by removing big chunks or solids and then leaving behind anything that's caked on. Now, we have a GE and we have a button that's prominent right in front. It automatically picks the time, so you hit self-clean, you press start, and we will come back in a couple hours and see how good of a job this did. Now that it's complete, it's time to see the results. So this is a work smart, not harder situation because the self-clean feature does an amazing job. The only thing that's really left, because we removed those giant particles, is a little bit of carbon solids. So it burned basically to ash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a wet paper towel and wipe those out clean. So you want to remove those, and after you do, you'll see the result. And it's basically almost a brand new interior. Then to make sure that we make future cleanings easier, we're going to put in this copper oven liner. So we bought these, they come in a 2-pack. Now I sized it up, and you see it goes over the front lip. Now we want to clear that vent hole, but also the front lip. So I'm going to cut this to size and then add it back in. So we hope this process and these tips help you to get a cleaner, fresher oven for your future cooking needs. And if you like this video,
please consider liking and subscribing.
Take care.
Have a great day.